Look out, folks, because here comes the Raven.
The following movie is rated I.
All loaded up, ready to get a VIN check. See if we can get this baby registered today. Wish me luck.
2 hours later.
Well, that was easy. Didn't even do a VIN check. We're all legal now.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, leftovers are just as good, sometimes better. That's like $27 worth of ingredients. Yep. I don't know why beef is so high. $14.49 for 2.64. Crazy, isn't it? When I was rattling off everything that you could do with the leftover chili, I totally forgot chili dogs. My wife don't know what she's missing. Time to do the dirty, boys. That toilet's a wee bit bigger than that one was. Well, it's all in. But it looks like I'm gonna have an excuse to take the Raven into town. Because that supply tube is way too short. This has the water saver and the cheesy chili night. I'm not changing this toilet because the old one was plugging up. Nah. PP, power dump. Good excuse to take the Raven. There's the turtle eggs. The one's coming out.
When we're out, we should get her some fruit.
One's coming out. Oh, there it is.
Oh, did you
Wow.
drop another egg?
They are staked off. Had a few people asking me. Let's see how you do in the sand, Raven. Skinnier tires, 50/50 tread. I love it being quiet. That's what I miss about the bras. Smooth and quiet. Still geared nice and low. Come on, Raven. Well, doing exceptionally well. Woo! Drifting. My feet aren't down. Oh, it's raining a little bit. Well, we need it pretty bad. Does pretty good for stock jetting. You can see that wobble in the wheel a little bit, but we'll see when we get the speeds up higher if it affects it at all. I could just about feel it now. Oh my God, I'm doing almost 80 kilometers, which is 50 miles an hour. This thing is so quiet. I like it though. But I got a lot aces to place. Got to come up a little more on that rear brake. How you doing? Supply tube? Supply tube for a toilet? In far back? Yeah. This one. That's that. That's that. Oh.
How are you?
Good, how you doing?
So it's gonna be 9/11.
9/11. Thanks, you too. Uh-huh. I need some kind of a bag on the back of this, don't I? Carbureted, so you gotta give it a little gas when you go to start it. My foot brake is still pretty low. Oldsmobile van, wow. feels good. Come on. It did better coming out. Still rode it out. Don't laugh. Two turtle doves. I don't know what they are. They were doves. Ooh, that pipe is hot. That's one reason to wear pants. Hot pipe. See, this has a rubber fitting, not a ferrule, so it doesn't have to be over tightened. A little bit past hand tight. Same thing with that, hand tight. That should do it. Let's see. Make sure that's not leaking. Oh, that's why. Oh yeah, that's a good one. MotoCheez chili powered dumper there. High tech turlet. Kirby said some counties are giving you $100 for the old one. I better find out before I get rid of that. Let's take a ride to Harbor Freight. I wish they didn't have this hump in the seat. Yeah, because the most comfortable seating position is a little bit further back here, and that hump is right on my butt. I know a lot of people modify their seats. I think I might do it on this one. I did buy that staple gun. Just buy some stainless steel staples and cut some foam out. That wasn't a stop. That wasn't a blinker. Jeez, some people, I tell you. So yeah, we'll go to Harbor Freight, see if we can find a bag to go on the back of this. Maybe the same bag that I have on the DLX. That ended up being a pretty good sized bag. Now this doesn't have a rack. I don't know, maybe I should get a cutting board. Take one of them, what are they, nylon or not nylon, that white plastic cutting board, and cut it in the shape of a rack on the back. Drill a couple holes and bolt it down. That would work, right? I probably got enough tools here to do that. I have my Sawzall. I have a drill. I don't have much hardware, but we'll see. They probably put a 105 jet in here, I bet. Eventually I will open up the carburetor. Yeah, I want to sit back here because I can feel the heat coming off that exhaust if my leg is up further. Wow. Blew right through that red light. We'll take the back way. Gotta keep away from the crazies. I had to get rid of the vibration on that DLX. I think it's one of these panels. I heard it real bad in the video. I can't hear it while you're riding it that much. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. That was a good movie. Right in the shade. 22 kilometers. Starting already, eh? Just like the Hawk. I gotta get a tie wrap. It's a little Grom. Kinda. I think it might be the 50cc Grom. Oh, I didn't lock that. I got distracted.
Hey there.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna do
You can actually put everything back in here.
can. You save $5 on it.
Jeez, that thing works as good as some of your tools, huh? That works. Nah, there's something loose if that's what it's doing.
That's when you try to add a new customer. $59.88.
Oh, that's a nice Jeep. Oh, that's flat black. We'll leave this here and see if it's there when we come out. All strapped on. And it looks like it's exactly, look at that. Once I cut that down, perfect. I really got to tie wrap that. That's going to cause a problem. I forgot all about that. Still a problem. No vibrations. I gotta figure out what's vibrating on that DLX. You can actually hear the detonation in the engine. It's so quiet. Like the bras. I will check the accuracy of the speedometer. That detonation would go away if it was a little richer. That was a knee dragger. Some twisties here. You did good, Raven. Very good. What's up, Lizard? Woo! AC feels good. Time to try out the toilet. Come on, Chili. I need more fiber.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.